In this video, I'm going to demonstrate one of my favorite features in Connected 10.3, and that's Quick Notes. Quick Notes are a fast and convenient way to add or link files to the corresponding records in Connected. For example, you could add a copy of a customer purchase order to their sales order, or a detailed drawing of an item that's going to be manufactured. Quick Notes are available in virtually every screen, with the exception of setup windows. Quick Notes requires no setup. Connected Notes and Quick Notes are already available in all screens listed by default. However, to use the Quick Notes and Link Files option, the Attaching Files and Documents feature must be enabled. There are two ways to enter a Quick Note, and I'm going to show you both of them. The first one is to actually right-button click on the Notes icon in any of the windows where you see it. The option to add a quick note will come up, and here you can enter information, and you can also drag a file. In this case, I'm going to drag my customer purchase order and save the note. And now, when I go under the notes, under this particular invoice record, I can see here's my note, and here's my document that I've attached. The second way that you can actually add files is by actually dragging a file on top of the notes without having to start and open the note in the first place. So again, I'm going to take my customer purchase order, and then I'm just going to drag it over that quick note. So all I've done is click once, drag it over, release the click. There's my document, and here is another PO. Now, when I'm under my customer record for this particular invoice, there's my next note, here's my purchase order, but that's not all. You can also attach multiple files at the same time. To do that, again, you can pick any window. So I'm going to select purchase order that we have created. I'm going to take this document folder here. You see here there's no notes on this file right now. Take this file, drag it over, drop it, and then the system automatically adds all three images, all three documents, and gives you the prompt to enter some notes. Product order information. And I save that. So now on this purchase order, under the notes, under one line, there are those three documents. You could also drag and drop them individually and put a note for each one if that's what you wanted as well.